Hi, Mary. Holiday, Easter's coming up. This is one of the holiday desserts, very popular at our restaurant, chocolate cream puffs. I showed you regular cream puffs with custard. I'm going to show you an extra easy way to make the custard for that, but today I'm going to show you chocolate cream puffs. Very fast. Okay, get a small Cuisinart, and you're going to put in 1/2 of a cream cheese. This is just great value. Philadelphia is good. This is like 1/2 of a 8 ounce, so 4 ounces of cream cheese. 1 cup of sugar. Going very fast. Vanilla, just pour some in. Maybe a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of almond flavor. And some salt. Salt enhances it. Okay. You can use beaters. You can use KitchenAid, but I'm doing this because it's really fast. Okay, watch this. Going to blend that. Okay, now we're going to throw in heaping 1/3 cup of Ghirardelli unsweetened cocoa, Majestic, and 1.5 cups. We'll start with 1 of heavy whipping cream. We're going to start with 1. We'll see how thick it is. 1 cup, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, pulse it. See how it thickens up. It's really better if you use a KitchenAid or beaters, but this is faster and more efficient for me. See? Okay. I'm going to do 1.5 cups. It's a little bit too thick. There it is. You put the cream cheese in because you're really making this whipped cream like a manufacturing cream. All right, good. You can see the consistency in here. See? Gets thicker and thicker. If you use a KitchenAid or beaters, a hand beater, it comes out more fluffy. This comes out a little bit thicker, which I kind of like for the cream puffs. So this is chocolate cream puffs, special weekend dessert always at our restaurant, both restaurants. There we go. See how thick it is? That's it. Okay, I'll put this here, throw it in the refrigerator. While we wait, now we're going to do the cream puffs. Over here to the, let's come over here to the stove, okay? When you're making cream puffs, remember this formula. 1 + 1 + 1 is 4. 1 cup of water, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of flour, and 4 eggs. Okay, let's do some math. We'll cut it in half. 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of flour. Mix it, and 2 eggs. That's what we're doing here, okay? I'm going to show you how fast it goes. Let's put this on low. Okay, 1/2 cup of water. 1/2 a stick of butter. This is how I remember it because it's a delicate dessert to make. It's an involved dessert to make, but you have to keep going to the recipe to make it. You won't make it. But if you remember this silly formula, 1 + 1 + 1 is 4, it'll help you to remember. 1 cup of water, 1 stick of butter. This comes to a boil. Put in the flour, mix it. Pour in the 4 eggs. 1 + 1 + 1 is 4. Cutting it in half for this particular demonstration. 1/2 a cup of water, 1/2 a stick of butter, and half a cup of flour. See, this is gonna come, it's gonna melt. We'll get some little pinch of salt. Okay. I have the oven at 400. I'm gonna spray my pan right here for the, I'm gonna have water here, cold water with the, show you how fast it is when we spoon it out. Okay. Okay, watch. You see it in here? It's gonna go very fast. This can be made, I timed it, this can be made in like 40 minutes. If you have eggs, flour, cream, chocolate, sugar, you can make a dessert without even going to the store. Okay. You'll see it's going to start boiling. Here it is again. Half a cup of water, half a stick of butter. This is going to come to a boil. Watch. See this coming to a boil? And now you're going to load this off and half a cup of flour. Now mix, mix, mix. Look till it comes together like a ball. Keep mixing, do not mix. See? Comes together. When it comes apart, you see this? This is how you want it. Comes away from the pan like a little ball. Move it off the heat. Give it a minute to cool. 2 room temperature eggs, or put them in hot water, okay? Watch this. Crack it. Stir it right away until it's consumed. There's no leavening agent. Only the egg that's beaten in here is the leavening agent. No baking powder, no baking flour. See how it's consumed in here? Okay. Now watch this. This gets consumed. Mix it. It has to be one at a time. You cannot throw them all in and mix it. Okay. Look. Watch this. It has to all get consumed. Now when it gets consumed, you stir it and you just wait. Does this look satiny? Does this look satiny? You do not want to overstir. Is this satiny? Look. Is it satiny? Do not overstir. There it is. This is how simple it is. This is cream puff. All right. I have sprayed this here. I'll show you how fast this goes. I sprayed this here. I think I'll do it right here. Watch. It's very sticky dough. Fingers in, spoon in. Get a little bit, spoon it. Fingers, fingers, spoon. Little bit, spoon it. Spoon, finger, spoon it. If you're making the regular batch with the 1 + 1 + 1 is 4, it'll make 12 cream puffs or 24 small. If you do a half batch, it'll make 6 big cream puffs, about 9 to 10 small. We're making small here for the holidays. Neighbors don't know, but they're going to be getting these because we're not going to be eating 1 million cream puffs in the next week. Okay, see? Now my other video, this is the same dough for eclairs. Look how they just make those, look. Scrape it, scrape it. Okay. Fingers, all fingers, and then kind of shape them so they look better. You guys, this is it. Oven's on 400. Keep them apart. Thrown it in the oven at 400 degrees. Oh wow, fast forward. Now we come here. 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I made these earlier. Baby cream puffs. See how cute? Now we're going to assemble them. Because I've been working so long in restaurants, and then as the years went on, I became like a one-man army. I had to learn how to make things very fast and very efficient. I don't like spending a lot of time in the kitchen. I don't like a lot of prep. You're not going to make cream puffs any faster than what I'm showing you now. Okay, these were slit. They were cooled and they were slit. Now we're going to get the chocolate. And we're going to stuff them. Watch. Chocolate cream puffs. Chocolate cream puffs. I'm going to do these for a long time. So I showed you start to finish. Now this chocolate cream, if you want it more whippy, like a whipped cream, you put a little bit less cream cheese in it. Put the cream cheese so that the whipped cream doesn't collapse. This also is the same filling that you would put for the chocolate tiramisu, only I added rum to it. Everybody. How fast. How beautiful. Is this beautiful? Look, you guys. Chocolate cream puffs. Happy Easter. Please try doing it. Nobody's making this stuff from scratch. My next video, I'm going to show you a super fast custard to put in these cream puffs. Okay, God bless you.